Boys and girls, today we are going to learn about lattice multiplication. Lattice multiplication is another method or strategy used to multiply. A lattice is a structure that has cross strips that are used as a screen. In math, a lattice is a box with squares and diagonals that is used for multiplication. Here is an example showing lattice multiplication. Can you figure out how this method works? There are 3 steps to solving a multiplication problem with lattice multiplication. First, you write the factors on the outside of the grid, 1 across the top and 1 down the right side. Next, you multiply each digit in one factor by each digit in the other factor. Finally, you add the numbers inside the lattice within each diagonal. If the sum on a diagonal exceeds 9, the excess 10s are added in the next diagonal. Now, let's try this together. Please take out a piece of scrap paper and recreate the lattice structure to look like the grid below. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. First, we will take our 2-digit number, 37, and place it at the top of the lattice grid. Then we will take our 1-digit factor, 9, and place it in the bottom right-hand corner. Now we are ready to multiply. We will multiply 3 times 9 equals 27. Then we will place the 2 in the top of our lattice, and we will place the 7 in the bottom square. Now we are ready to multiply 7 by 9, which is 63. We will take our 6 and put it in the top, and 3 and put it in the bottom. Finally, we are ready to add. We will take 3 and bring it down here, then 7 plus 6, which equals 13. Because we have a 10, we carry it to our next diagonal. 2 plus 1 is 3. Finally, we have our answer, 333. So now we know that 9 times 37, the product is 333. Now let's try multiplying 3-digit numbers. 6 times 815. We will take our 3-digit number and place it across the top of our lattice grid. Then we will take our 1-digit factor and put it in the bottom right-hand corner. Now we will multiply 8 times 6 equals 48. And place our 4 in the top, our 8 in the bottom. The next numbers we will multiply are 1 times 6, which have a product of 6. We place a 0 in the top to hold our place value and a 6 in the bottom square. Finally, 5 times 6 equals 30. Again, 3 on the top, 0 on the bottom. Now we are ready to add. 0, 6 plus 3 equals 9. 0 plus 8 has a sum of 8. And then finally 4. Again, our answer can be found on the side of our lattice. So now we know that 6 times 815 equals 4,890. Don't forget the comma. Boys and girls, now that you have practiced lattice multiplication, you can move on and take the short quiz. Don't forget that you can always go back and rewatch the video if needed.